In Hurdlr, every expense you track requires a vendor. The vendor is the company, store, or seller from which you made a purchase. For example, if you purchase gas at ABC Gas, then ABC Gas would be the vendor for that particular expense. A vendor is required for each expense because it helps track exactly where you've spent your money. If you have a bank account, credit card, or other integration linked, the vendor name will pull into Hurdlr automatically. However, you may need to add a new vendor if you're manually entering an expense from a vendor that you haven't already tracked in Hurdlr. You can do this while you're entering an expense, or you can create a new vendor from the Settings menu. To add a vendor while entering an expense, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the Expenses tab, then tap Add Expense. Tap the vendor field, then tap the plus sign in the top right. Enter the name of the new vendor and tap Add. Your new vendor will be added as the vendor for that expense, and it will be saved to your list of vendors so you can use it to tag future expenses. To add a vendor from the Settings menu, tap the three dots in the top left corner, then choose Vendors. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner, then enter the vendor name. You can also choose a category if all your purchases from this vendor are in the same category. Then tap Save. To view and manage your vendors in Hurdlr, just tap on them from the vendors list. Make any edits you wish and save. If you ever want to see your expenses by vendor, you can export the Expenses by Vendor report from the Reports section to see all the expenses that you've tracked for each vendor. And that's how you can track vendors in Hurdlr. If you have any questions, just tap the chat icon in the top left corner to get in touch with our team. We're happy to help. Thanks for watching.